Don't you want to figure it out?
Listen, kiddo. A car mechanic's job is to fix cars. As long as I'm doing that, I'm happy as a clam. You gonna help me with this or what?
Monster! Run! Run! Ah, jeez. What's he doing?
Another car down!
Ninja spin!
Huh? What? Wow! A ranger? Great! I've gathered just enough electricity to shock you till you drop! Have a taste of the electricity I've been stealing!
So, it was you who drained the electricity from those car batteries.
Want it back? Darn!
That was close.
One hit and you'll be toast!
Better take cover. Guys, I need help.
What is it?
Mick was right. There is a pattern. A monster's sucking power out of car batteries and it's making him super strong.
Okay, we'll be there as fast as we can.
Bring some firepower. This guy's really strong.
Okay.
So you want to play hide and seek, eh? Aha! Too bad the mirror gave you away. I win!
Not yet, you haven't. Oh yeah, the big guns are here. Heads up, Bug Breath. Yeah.
Yes, a direct hit.
Great shot, Brody.
That'll teach him.
I'll get you for that!
Oh no! The sword's been damaged! It's going down. I got an abandoned ship!
It's gonna crash.
Brody, you're okay.
Yeah, but the Lion Fire Sword isn't...
I destroyed your ship, and now I'll destroy you!
It's payback time! Let's crush this bug! Ninja Battle Morpher! Aero Blast! Gold Battle Morpher! Star Blast! Together!
I used all my energy attacking your Zord! When I find some more, I'll zap you out of dust!
I can't believe he took out the Lion Fire Zord.
Believe me, that dude is one tough customer. When he gets more power, we're in trouble.
Not so fast, evil space creature!
What? You're not Rangers!
Cut! Just one easy second.
What are you doing?
I forgot to hit the button.
And action!
Watch the master at work! Now, Monty!
Just keep going. What the?
Take this! Huh?
God, give me a break!
Monty, what do I do?
Computer thing, what do we do?
Hey, I've seen that before! That's the Red Rangers Dino Charge! That's how he knew all my moves! Have a good trip! Bring me back something nice!
There he is!
What?
Stop right there, flame face!
Stop? I don't know the meaning of the word!
Let's take this fiery freak down.
Bring it! Say hello to the ground!
Okay, time to hit the brakes.
I won't hit the brakes! I'll hit you!
Where could it be?
Nick!
Are you sure you really need it?
Of course. The Datacom knows how to beat every monster.
Interesting. And sharing that ninja knowledge with the team this morning. That was the Datacom, right?
No, that was me, not my Datacom.
Oh, and escaping the ship to save the ninja steel? Who was that?
You know that was me, Mick.
Exactly! Look, the Datacom may give you an answer every now and then, but never once. Never did it give you the courage to lead. That, my friend, that was all you.
You're right. I don't need a Datacom.
Nope.
I already have everything I need, including a great team. Thanks, Mick. Speaking of my team...
Coming through! Move it! Get off the road! Hey! I'm skating here! You can't keep up!
Red Ninja Blast!
Try to keep up! No! Yes, I got him! Earth ninjas are easy. Come to me, my darling.
Venema, I don't know I didn't see you sooner.
Yes, we can be together.
You're my one true love.
If you really love me, you'll give me your ninja power star.
Of course, my sweetness. But first, there's just one little thing I need to do.
What? No! Ah! That was my last love arrow, and now my spell is broken!
Hurry up, Cal.
Venema will be waiting for me.
Hi, I'm working as fast as...
Oh, thank goodness we found you. I thought you'd be married to the monster by now.
Married? To Venema. Are you nuts?
What happened?
They're fixed. But if they're fixed, that means Preston's fighting the monster. Alone.
Let's go.
Ah! But you said my love arrow struck you!
Oh, yeah. I did say that. This is made of metal. Your arrow never touched me. Sorry, Venema. You shouldn't believe everything you hear.
Ah! Tricked by a teen! This can't be happening!
Oh no! The Blue Ranger fooled her! Love can be so cruel!
You little sneak! My love arrows may be gone, but I've still got fighting arrows! Take this!
Guys, I'm at Greenville clearing with Venema.
Coming.
You can't hide!
Ninja spin! Blue tornado strike! Ninja spin!
Venom slash!
Final attack! Goodbye, Venema.
This really stings!
Unbelievable! Gigantified!
Hey, little boy Blue!
Oh, this isn't good.
You're doomed!
Uh-oh. What's that? The Blazords!
Ah!
Oh, right in the nick of time, guys.
We've always got your back, Presto. Falcon Sword! Wing Strike!
Ah! Buzz off! Ah!
Time to call my Serpent Zord. Ninja spin! Out of the shadows! Let's end this!
Ninja Blaze Megazord, combine! Ninja Blaze Megazord, ready!
Take this!
Blaze Hydro Shield! Nice try, Venema.
They may not be love arrows anymore, but we're still gonna block every one!
Then I'll wrestle you to the ground!
Think again. Serpent punch. Begin final attack. Ninja Blaze Megazord, Ranger Blast. Final attack.
The Galactic Ninjas are no more!
Show's over. Ninjas win.
What is happening?
I set a trap nearby, but nobody's falling into it. It's got something to do with this stupid tree. Maybe I'll just cut it down.
You better not touch a single leaf on this tree.
Maybe I'll cut you down too. If people won't fall into my trap because of this stupid tree, I'll just have to cut it down.
You better not touch a single leaf on this tree.
Maybe I'll cut you down too. I'll slice ya and dice ya. Back off!
You're all so brave.
Keep your tree. I'm out of here.
You're not getting away that easy. Are you okay, Dad? Couldn't be better. You saved me and the ribbon tree today. I'm so proud of you, son. I'm gonna make sure everyone's okay. I'll see you later.
I forgot where I put my trap. Ripcon is gonna roast me for this.
Surprise!
Any last words, Rangers?
I've got 3. It's Morphin time. Power Stars, lock in. Ready. Ninja spin. Ninja Rangers, fear no danger.
I'll cut you down to size.
Let's do this.
Well, looks like Trapsaw isn't such a dummy after all.
Stand still so I can get you.
No can do, rat face!
Ninja Sword, Wire Strike. I'm coming up. And you're going down. Mind if I cut in? Coming in, red hot. Ninja Star, Blast Strike.
Element Star! Ninja Earth Attack! Bon voyage! Nice try, boy!
I'm out of here.
You won't get away that easy.
Kudabots, help me up! Now, where were we?
Let's finish this chainsaw chump and his little friends.
Battle Morpher, Hyper Mode.
Uh-oh!
Hyper Arrow Blast. Rock Storm Blast. Final attack. Yeah! Good job.
Ladies and gents, my Foxbots will wear them down, then I'll wipe them out. He has a team like we've never seen. All together, he's Wolverine! Enjoy!
but they're no match for real ninjas.
Let's finish them! Ninja Battle Morpher, Bow Mode! Gold Ninja Battle Morpher, Blaster Mode! Arrow Blast! Star Blast! We did it! Now let's find Wolverine. Come on! Hey!
They beat my butts already. No matter. I'll finish the job.
Think again!
I'm just getting warmed up. Ninja clone technique.
One each, guys!
Guess I'm fighting the real one.
Let's take him out! Lion Fire, Ninja Spin! Out of the fire and into the fight! Lion Fire Red! Lion Fire Armor Star! Lock in! Lion Fire, Ninja Spin! Lion Fire, Whiplash Strike! Final attack! Yes! Epic!
Good job. You sure showed him.
Boom!
Oh, exciting! Don't count out Wolverine yet! Gigantify! Can Earth Ninjas grow big too?
Lion Fire Sword Star! Lock in! Ninja Steel Ultra Zord! Combine! Ninja Spin! Ninja Steel Ultra Zord! Ready!
Ninja Super Steel Mode, ready!
Let's give this guy a fight to remember!
Take this!
Begin final attack! Ninja Spin! Ninja Super Steel Blaster, energize! Ninja Ultra Zord Blast, final attack!
Wolverine's Ninja Medallion. This might prove useful.
Well fought, but I'm not done, Rangers. The Galactic Ninjas will destroy you all. Hi-ya!
Calvin! Calvin! It got you! Look out for the web!
Where's the motorcycle?
It's over there! What's the plan? What are you doing?
I'm gonna drive us out of here.
You are gonna drive?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, all right.
Yeah! Whoa! You made a ninja star!
Fantastic ride!
Nice! I can do this. I can do this.
Come on, Cal. You got this.
I can do this. I can do this.
Look at me, Calvin Maxwell. There is nothing you can't do.
There's nothing I can't do. Ninja spin! Okay, yeah.
One of those Rangers must have been rotten.
I did it! That felt awesome! Guys! Haley, are you okay?
Yeah, thanks to you, we're fine.
Me
And our new Mega Motorcycle.
You'll pay for that!
Someone's gonna pay, but it won't be us.
You may have escaped, but not for long!
How do we stop him from sucking us back up?
Don't worry, I have an idea. Element Star! Ninja Water Attack! Ninja Spin! Hey-ya!
Hey! Where did everybody go? Show yourselves! Soon you'll be cocooned forever!
Hey, he can't see us! Arrow Blast!
That was close! Aha! You've given away your position!
Maybe not.
Oh, wait! You're over here!
You sure?
Blade Slash! Okay, stop it! Where are you?
We're right here.
All I wanted was a meal!
Well, now you're getting your just desserts. Claw mode! Blade mode!
Boom Mode!
Hyper mode!
Hyper Arrow Blast!
Hyper Blade Slash! Hyper Claw Shred! Final attack!
Don't I get a last meal?
Easy!
Yes! We did it!
Haha! Epic!
Okay, class, you can begin.
It's time.
Oh, what was that? Me? Sorry.
Oh, come on! That's right!
My bad.
Hey, we can't help it. Hey, Teach. We can't work in this air. Maybe we should postpone the test.
Yes! Yes, that's a good idea. Nice try. But I'm on to your tricks.
I saw you ate beans again.
That's why I brought gas masks.
Oh, come on!
Quickly, take a gas mask, everyone. Take one, pass it on, and keep doing your test. Keep going, keep going. Quickly, take one, pass it on. Oh, shucks. No more masks left. I do understand if you guys want to leave, but you'll both get Fs. Good luck.
I'm done.
Me too!
We're out of here.
Hey, my door! You're gonna fix that.
Thank you.
Well, that was brutal. I'm lucky to have a B.
I got a B+. I'm good with that.
Sarah, you okay?
Yesterday's test was so simple, but today's test was so much harder.
I don't think it was that hard.
I got an F. It was not fair for Mrs. Finch to make today's test so much harder than yesterday's.
Excuse me. Now, did I say that today's test was going to be easy?
No.
No, Sarah. Some tests are tougher than others, just like the challenges that we face in life. Today's test was tough. So I suggest that next time, you come prepared.
What's up, Nick?
Rex is back.
Really? Some monsters just don't learn. Let's go.
Oh, no! Odia says I have to fight the Rangers for her show, but I'm not strong enough. I'm a weakling.
Give it up, Brax. You said it yourself. You're no match for us.
Come on, we don't have to fight. Just give me your power stars. Pretty please?
I guess you're gonna have to learn this lesson the hard way.
I'm out of here!
Hey! Stop right there!
Okay, I stopped, but you'll wish I hadn't.
Ninja shot! What?
No way!
Fools!
Whoa! How do you get so powerful?
Not as powerful as our team.
Let's attack him together.
Come on, guys. Let's take him down with our Whiplash attack. Ninja Blasters! Power up! Whiplash!
Rock shot!
Nice try. Back at you. Who's laughing now, Rangers?
This guy's no wimp. He's crazy strong.
Don't worry, you won't survive another hit.
He's right. We gotta get out of here.
Zoom Sword Star! Ninja Spin!
No! You cowards! Come back and face me like true ninja warriors!
Suffering circuits! I'm detecting buzz cams at the stadium.
We're on it. Let's go.
You got this, Rangers.
Hold it right there!
Rangers! Ready for defeat?
We're always ready. Ready to kick butt.
Bring it!
It's Morphin time!
Power Stars, lock in! Ready! Ninja Spin!
Lion Fire Armor Star! Ha! Ninja Spin! Lion Fire Red!
Ninja Rangers, fear no danger!
Levi, Preston, you take Force Sphere.
You got it. Get him, Presto! Yeah! Your turn, Levi! Rock Storm Slash!
That tickled!
Together!
Two of you isn't enough!
How about 3? Rapid Blast! Take this! What? This creep is strong!
I can take anything you throw at me, Rangers!
Anything? Are you sure about that? Brody, why don't you throw us at him? Yeah, that could work.
Let's try it.
Go! Go! Ninja Star Morph!
You're through, chump!
You sure of that? Fools!
He's too strong. We took care of the Basher bots. Are you guys okay?
Not exactly. He's got some kind of force field wall.
That's right. You can't attack me, but I can attack you. Goodbye, Rangers.
Stand tough, guys.
Goodbye, Rangers.
Let's go.
Huh? Where did they go?
Force Sphere! You failed us.
Next time, gigantify me, and my force field will be so huge, they won't be able to touch me. Then I'll blast them to pieces.
Hear that? His force field will be even stronger. We have to find a way to break it.
Maybe Mick will have an idea.
Ninja Steel!
Ninja Steel!
Brody, we'll take care of the Basher bots. You try to stop Ripcord. I'm on it.
I've been looking forward to this.
Not as much as I have.
I've always hated you, rat bait.
Feelings mutual.
My sword!
You're defenseless now! That's not your sword!
No, it's mine! Thanks, Preston.
Sooner or later, I will destroy you. Nothing you can do can stop that.
Nothing? How about two swords? Dual element blast!
Very nice. But I learned that move in kindergarten.
He's too strong.
It's time to add the gold energy. Hopefully the gold energy combines with the fusion star.
It's your power star. Let's hope it fused.
Levi.
Whoa! It worked.
All 6 power star energies merged perfectly. That is the Ninja Fusion Star, the most powerful star we have ever made.
I'll get it to the others. Thanks, Mick.
You're welcome.
Ninja Fusion Star's on its way, Brody.
Yes! Great timing, Levi!
New star, eh? You won't have a chance to use it.
It's lucky there's still plenty of ninja steel in the trophy.
Aiden, you shouldn't be in here.
Yeah. I shouldn't do this either.
Ninja Steel.